Puwede ba gawing private o gawing business yung clubhouse? Kasi ginawa nila, binakura nila tapos nakapadlock, hindi makapasok ang homeowners. Hindi naman sila nagpa-meeting, basta na lang nilagyan. Actually, if we're going to make it as a commercial business, hindi. So, hindi allowed gawin yun ng HOA. Pag sabi natin commercial business, ibig sabihin they will earn a profit from it, which is ang HOA hindi kailangan mag-earn ng profit. Pero may authority sila to manage that. Ibig sabihin, may karapatan talagang HOA na maningil in every use. Pag ang ibang subdivision na alam ko, naniningil talaga sila kapag ginagamit ang swimming pool tsaka clubhouse. Usually kapag clubhouse per event yung paniningil ng HOA. Why? Kasi kapag may nasira doon, syempre yung magre-rent ng area, yung responsible na magpaayos nun. At the same time, may mga expenses sa maintenance. Lalo na kapag swimming pool, sobrang laki na maintenance fee yan. So, saan nila kukunin yung fund nun? So, yun yung mga reason kung bakit kailangan nilang maningil ng fees when using some of the amenities. Actually, ito ay pinag-uusapan sa HOA meeting. Yun nga lang, possible hindi kayo naka-attend. So, much better, kausapin na directly yung inyong HOA president. So, if you have additional questions, message me.